Hey everybody, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate. In this video, we're going to talk about the word Kindle. We're going to talk about what Kindle means. We're going to practice pronouncing the word Kindle, and we also have some great example sentences that help you better understand the meaning of the word Kindle. Click the subscribe button, like this video, and in the comments section, I want you to write a sentence that uses the word Kindle. I will check the comments and interact with you down in the comments section. Kindle is a verb, and it actually has two different definitions. The first definition is to light or set on fire. Definition number one is to light or set on fire. The second definition is arouse or inspire a feeling. Arouse or inspire a feeling. So let's practice together. Kindle. 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 Okay, words are going away. Let's practice again. Kindle. Kindle. Great job, everybody. One more time. Kindle. Let's check out our example sentences so we can better understand what the word Kindle means. And just as a reminder, Kindle is a verb, and a verb expresses action or state of being. Example number one references to set on fire. I was not able to kindle the flame after last night's rain. I was not able to kindle the flame after last night's rain. So I wasn't able to get the fire going after it rained all night. That's the first example sentence, which means to set or light on fire. The second example sentence uses the definition to inspire a feeling. To inspire a feeling. In order to kindle romance, the couple goes on a date every week. In order to kindle romance, the couple goes on a date every week. So they want to inspire the feeling of love and romance, so they go on a date every week together. Thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to click the subscribe button, click notifications so you can see future videos, like this video, and leave a comment with your example sentence that uses the word Kindle. I'll be sure to check it out. Talk to you later.